fried asparagus. You already know this taste. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. I got some asparagus that I discarded the woody part and cut in half. Now we got some cornstarch. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And then we're gonna crack an egg over in here. Now this here is 1 bunch of asparagus. And we're gonna give this a mixy mix. Now this asparagus would be considered probably medium size. So keep that in mind with these amounts. Now after that, let's hit it with some salt and pepper. Fresh pepper, of course. And then we gonna mix that up. Guess what, y'all? We ready to fry. So let's get them in this hot grease. Now, of course, our frying temperature on our grease is 350. Now, these have a tendency to stick, so if they stick on you while you're putting them in the pan, just hit that pan a little bit, swash it, swash. And you know, unstick them, y'all. Oh yeah, you gotta get all them apart. Gotta get that even cooked, y'all. That even cooked. Oh yeah. Look at them frying up so good. And once you get that golden brown, let's get them on out that grease, y'all. Oh my goodness. Y'all know these grills, right? They so tasty. Let's go ahead and plate us up some. Now I had this with some fried chicken and some gravy. Now I just spooned a little gravy over top. So let's give it a tasty taste. They so crunchy. Listen to this. I know you know that's good. But anyway, y'all. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.